enlarged pores, blackheads. Sounds like what you need is exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin helps cell turnover at a much faster rate. Removing the dead skin cell layer also reveals a younger skin below, improving your complexion and radiance. However, too much exfoliation, like scraping too deep, hurts the protective layer of the skin. Repeated injuries may even deteriorate into skin sensitivity or cause the skin to lose its bounce and form wrinkles. Basically, don't be too harsh on your skin. But what can be done to not over-exfoliate? Gentle exfoliation is possible, and Blackpaint's Konjac sponge strikes the perfect balance between delicate and just being enough vibration to keep your pores healthy. It is made from konjac, a vegetable fibre that has water-holding properties. Each strand of konjac fibre is encapsulated in a layer of water. Because of this, the sponge does not come into direct contact with the skin's surface during exfoliation. This unique property is unmatched by regular sponges, and this is also why our Konjac sponge can be so gentle and delicate during exfoliation. Besides exfoliating, our Konjac sponge is also an extractor. The fibers normally coil up like spring wires. When the sponge is being compressed and decompressed, the fibers straighten and coils back up, clipping the blackheads from your pores and pulling them out. To amplify its cleansing power, Binchotan charcoal powder is added to the sponge. Charcoal powder is well known for its ability to capture dirt and grime, and Binchotan charcoal is the most effective among all types of charcoal. It is sourced from a special oak found only in the Wakayama prefecture of Japan. After soap wash, the Konjac sponge comes in as a second step in your Blackpaint skincare regime. Our Konjac sponge is made from 100% pure natural and organic vegetable fibre. There are no alcohol, preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. With Blackpaint, you will allow your skin to be beautiful naturally. At Blackpaint, we have made a continuous effort to improve our products. Because of this dedication, we have achieved the 10th consecutive year of the Grand Gold Medal of the Monday Selection Awards in the year 2019. This award is a globally renowned award run by the International Institute of Quality Selections in Belgium, equivalent to the difficulty of maintaining a 3-star Michelin accolade for 10 consecutive years.